if you're trying to turn your background from this to this, stay tuned. I put my all in a play in the game. I tell you that failure's not in my plane. Mac Games in the building, and what's going on YouTube? Today, I wanted to give you guys a video about how to set up your green screen in OBS. So let's get to it. Boom. So this is what we're starting with and what we're working with initially in the plan. So let's get into it. What we first want to do is get rid of everything in the way. So how you do that, you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. You make sure that your capture device is set that has your green screen, basically with your camera. You make sure that that is set and select it. You hold down the Alt key, you grab the edges, bring them in. And you want to get it all out of the way. Bring it in. Get it all out of the way. And once you do that, now we can get into the nitty gritty, get into the good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into the good stuff. Now, what we're doing is we go into the capture device. We right clicking the capture device, which is basically a camera, and then you click in filters. And you want to get the filter called chroma key. I can get mine set. It basically gets me out of the way. It's just me now. It's just me now. But to get that pure green behind you, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I have a ring light to this side of me, and I have another light that's basically another ring light to this side of me. So it'll bounce off that green, and it'll really be green. If it's too dark, your green screen won't be well, like it won't be well lit. It won't, and if it's not well lit, then that green will not be captured by the camera. This is me from post editing. What I'm trying to say is, if your green screen ain't well lit, then it won't go away once you apply the effect. So let's get back into that. We got chroma key up. Hopefully that's putting it in front of me. But okay, now to do this, hey, whoa. That looked raw. Okay, so custom. Once you get it, you want the custom color. You want to be able to select color. Pick screen color. What I like to do is not pick the brightest part of my screen, but more so like in this area where it's slightly a little darker. Boom, you pick that color, you click OK. Now, you have that selected. You see how it is. You want to get rid of all the green. So, similarity. Boom. It's taking it away, but you see my hair's a little crazy up there. Take down that smoothness a little bit. But the smoothness also get those edges, but you go too smooth, you don't exist. You go too light, you got them edges on there. You just want to hit it a little bit with that. The color spill, basically that green, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to be black and white. Like, bro, we got color TVs now. You know, yeah. I take that all the way down. So, as you can see, that's basically my settings for how I get my green screen rocking and rolling. You see, if I would have left these things in, it'd be a little shades of stuff that I don't want. And if I would have kept it over here, like, it's just been little shades of stuff that I don't want. Now what we doing is we bringing in a picture, whatever picture you want. This is usually my picture. So once you get all that done, you bring you in a photo. What I like to do is just put, it could be anything behind me. It could be this. This is my other one that I use for the stream. When I'm streaming, this is what I use, like post editing Trent here. Also, make sure when you bring in your photo that your camera is the top source in the scene and your photo is behind you. That way the green screen will work. You can put whatever you want behind you so you look right, and you know, because sometimes our backgrounds is a little too crazy, bro. Like, yeah, our backgrounds is a little too crazy. And the green screen that I have is one of the pull-up ones. And at first I had to pop out one that you could fold down, but I didn't like that one too tough because it wasn't stable. So I went and I spent $100 some. I honestly might have got it on a sale for like $80-$90. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, and I went and got that pull-up one. So if I helped you guys out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. We out.